How to center text in CapCut on PC. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to center text on CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now here is my text. So I'll go ahead now and change the text color. So now here is the text. If I want to place this text in the center of the screen in the CapCut, just select the text like this. After you select the text, so you should go ahead now and click on this ruler. After you click on this three dot, go to this ruler and guideline. So add the horizontal line, go to this option again and add the vertical line. So now I have these two lines are in the center of the screen. So now I'll use this two ruler to align my text. So now drag the text to be in the center where you want it to be, like this. Or if you want it to be in the middle of the video, you can just go ahead now and drag it. Or if you want just it to be in the middle but at the bottom, so this ruler will show you the center of the video. After you finish, go to this option again, go to guideline ruler. So now you can clear it, height guideline. So that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.